Understanding in the Early Stages, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that often pops up in both spoken and written English, in the early stages. It's a phrase that can add nuance to your conversations and writings, so understanding its usage and meaning is key to enhancing your English skills. Let's get started. The phrase, in the early stages, refers to the beginning period of a process, situation, or event. It's when things are just starting to develop or happen. Think of it like the first few chapters of a book, where the story is just beginning to unfold, or the first steps of building something, where the foundation is being laid. This phrase highlights that something is in its initial phase and not yet fully developed or completed. Understanding a phrase is much easier when you see it in action, so let's look at some examples. 1. In a project. We're still in the early stages of planning our new marketing campaign, so there's a lot to be decided. 2. In learning. When you start learning a new language, you're in the early stages where everything seems challenging. 3. In relationships. They are in the early stages of their relationship, getting to know each other's likes and dislikes. 4. In business. The company is in the early stages of developing a new product, and details are still under wraps. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable to various contexts from personal life to professional settings. Phrases like, in the early stages, are important because they help you convey more specific information about timing and development stages. They add depth to your conversations and writings, allowing you to express yourself more clearly and precisely. Knowing such phrases can make your English sound more natural and fluent, which is especially useful in academic or professional environments. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, in the early stages. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your English communications. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and you're just in the early stages of mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate new phrases and expressions into your vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.